Hi guys, in this video I will guide you on how to turn on or off your air conditioner using your phone. Now this can be very useful if you have misplaced the remote control of your air conditioner or for some reasons your air conditioner is not just working. And before we proceed, keep in mind that this is going to work out for literally any brand of air conditioner you have. Over here I do have an LG air conditioner, and it should also work out for any smartphone you have as long as your phone does support IR blaster. Now quickly, first thing you want to do is to come over to your phone and then open up the App Store, in this case the Google Play Store, and then from the search icon at the bottom you want to come over to the search input field at the top. I'll go ahead and enter that, and then you want to search for the Mi Remote Control app. Over here you can already see the suggestion, so I'll just select on the Mi Remote. It is actually the same thing. Then you want to make sure you select on this application and then install it into your phone. Now once the Mi Remote application is installed, you can go ahead and open it up directly from here, and then just follow the on-screen instructions. So tap on the agree button at the bottom over here, then click on add remote. Now at this point you want to go ahead and select on AC because that is actually the device you are trying to turn on. So I'll select on AC and then select the brand of your AC from the list of options we have over here. Mine, as you can see, is an LG AC. So on the Mi Remote Control application, I will just go ahead and search for LG, and you can literally see the LG option over here. I'll go ahead and select that. Now at this point, this particular application is going to give you a couple of configurations that will definitely work with your air conditioner. So what you want to do is to continuously tap on this power button until you find out the configuration that actually works with your AC. Also keep in mind that at this point your AC should be plugged to the power source. You also have to make sure you're pointing your phone to the AC so that the IR blaster is going to work perfectly fine with your AC. So I'll just go ahead and continuously tap on this power button. If it works with your AC, you want to tap on the yes button, but if it does not work, you want to tap on the no button. So this one does not work, I'll tap on no. You want to continuously try on the different options we have over here. Try another one. It did not work. Tap on no. Try another one. And as you can see, this one just worked out for me. It has just turned on my LG AC. So what I will just do now is to tap on yes. It actually worked out for me, and then tap on the check button at the top right from over here. And now you do have a remote control that you can now use to turn on or off your AC without necessarily needing the physical remote control. So if I tap on the power button now, it turns off the AC, and if I tap on it again, it turns on the AC, as you can see. Also from the remote control, you can see that we do have other controls that you can also use, like increasing the temperature, decreasing the temperature without necessarily needing the physical remote control. Now as you can see, I can just go ahead and continue to turn on and off my AC using this button, and it works absolutely well. If this was helpful, please let me know in the comment section and subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys.